Hello. This month I'm going to teach you the signs for good and morning, afternoon, and night. So when you see someone, meet someone, you can say that. The first sign is good. Here are the hand shapes. Good. Chin to hand. Good. And sometimes you may see it one-handed. Good. Good. Now, so we have morning, afternoon, and night. It tends to follow the sun, so the sun is rising and setting. So does the hand, rises and sets. Okay, I'll show you. Morning. 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 Again from this view. Morning. And now let's combine them. Good morning. You can also combine them further into one sign. Good morning. It's a little faster. Good morning. Or the hand can skip right under. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, now afternoon. So the sun has already risen past noon and is sort of descending again. Afternoon. Afternoon. Or afternoon. This little flapping movement is the same. Afternoon or afternoon. And again, we can combine them. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And last, night. Night. So now the sun has finished setting, or is setting perhaps. Night. Night. Good night. Really, one movement. Good night. Good night. Now let's review. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Okay, and one more time quickly. Good morning, good afternoon, good night.